If you want to have a memory stick like this where you can have as many operating systems on a single memory stick as you want, let me show you how to do it. The first thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and type in Ventoy. You're going to come up with this website here. You can go to Ventoy website directly, or you can go to where it says downloads. I'm going to go to where it says downloads, and from here you're going to download the correct version for your operating system. On this system I'm using now, I'm running Windows, so I'm going to download the Windows one, and the latest version is 1.1.07. I'm going to click on that. It's going to download a zip file. I'm going to click do not accept, and then from here again I'm going to click on Ventoy 1.1.07. click on that one there. Just wait for this to finish. Once that's finished, I'm going to go to my downloads folder. So I'm going to minimize, actually I can close this, open my downloads folder, and from here I'm going to right click on this where it says Ventoy, or I can click on extract all here. They do exactly the same thing. So I'm going to right click, and then I'm going to go to where it says extract all. When this window pops up, this one here, I'm just going to click extract. That's going to do its thing. It's going to be very quick for most computers, and you're now going to have two folders. One that has a, let me zoom in, one that has a zip on there. It's not that one. It's going to be the other one that looks like a normal folder. I'm going to click on that one to open it, then click on this to open that, and I'm going to click on where it says Ventoy 2 disk. That's going to be the thing you need to click on to run or install Ventoy on your system. So I'm going to double click this. It's going to ask me, are you sure you want this thing to make changes to your PC? Click on yes. This window here pops up. What this drop down here is going to do is going to allow you to choose the USB flash drive that you want to use for this. I already have a 64GB one plugged in, so that's the one I'm going to be using. And all you have to do from here is choose the memory stick. So you might have a few. If you have a few plugged in, just be very careful because it will wipe everything on the memory stick. I'm going to choose that one. And because I don't have it installed, all I'm going to do is click on where it says install here. It's going to ask me if I'm sure I want to do this because all the data is going to be lost. I'm going to click on yes. I'm going to click on yes again. And then it's going to take a few seconds to finish that. Then from there, I can show you guys how to download the ISOs to put on here. So that's the operating systems that you need to install on your system. And there we go. That's all finished. I'm going to click on OK. Now I'm going to close this, and I'm going to go to the memory stick here. It's labeled Ventoy, so they label it Ventoy. So this is where you would drag the ISOs that you need to install.